There are some good and bad news. Bad news is, as I'm so tired, as you can see, I got so sweaty. Good news is as we are moving out. But don't worry, we are not moving out from Bali to Europe or to Dubai or somewhere. We are just moving to Sanur, which is, I think, is actually good news. Except that this is so hot. So that's how it looks, the truck what we rent for the moving out. This is the guy. He's from Bali. He drive for the Gojek Go box. Very easy to rent like this. So that's all our gear. Looks a little bit like a gypsies are moving out. All right, as you see behind me, all our stuff is packed up, and then we will move out. So later on we will explain why we are moving out. So yeah, follow us. All right, here we go. We are moving. Bye bye. Okay, so now I will jump to with the drivers. Halo Pak.
Yeah.
All right. All right. I'm in the card box. Actually, now we are moving. So hot. It's 12. So we are moving out. So we move out. So many stuff. Hi, honey. Hi, sir. All right. I'm with the very nice Balinese driver. Yeah. Maybe I will ask some question to him. Bapak bisa bahasa Inggris, Pak? He's just shy.
English. Sorry.
Where are you from, Pak? Asal dari mana, Pak?
Karangasem.
Karangasem. So he is originally from Seraya, Karangasem, and he's working in Denpasar as a driver. Yeah, he just want to say hello.
I'm sorry, I don't speak English.
How long you are working as a driver, Pak? Berapa lama jadi sopir, Pak?
Hampir 12 tahun, Bu.
12 years. Oh my God, he's a driver for 12 years. Now he's helping me to move out. So yeah. So kunapi situasi mungkin, Pak? Banyak dapat job?
Job baru setiap hari ada 1-2 ya.
Yeah. So he said that yeah, 1 or 2 customers. Like, yeah, it's good for just like daily consume. So good. Yay. All right, we arrived, and then it's time to bring all the stuff in the room. This is how moving out.
So oh my God.
Okay. So we arrived, and this is our room. That's our room.
All right, we just arrived. Quickly, I'm gonna show you how it looks, the place where we moved now. So this is the main gate. I mean the pedestrians gate. Here's supposed to be a security. Here is the garage, owner car, actually the same like I had. Bikes, owner have a nice Vespa, by the way, a very big garage. There is the main road in Sanur, by the way. Like always, flowers, fountain, sink. So this is very cozy place. This is the houses of the owner. Here is just the few rooms. Here is the smaller rooms over here. Here is beautiful gazebo, by the way, like a public area. Check this out, by the way, with this gazebo wood, very nice. So our room is here. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms. This is our with the nice statue. Sorry, it's still messy because we just moved, but still everything is outside. This is the room. Check this. Winnie already fall asleep. Okay, so here will be the TV. I need to find out where is it. Table, fridge. This is already fully furnished like this. Here is the stove, sink, some things for cooking stuff like this. We need sleeping, nice wardrobe, very nice painting by the way. Bathroom, which is like this. This is very nice because it's natural light over there. Shower, toilet. So that's quickly how it looks, our new place where we're gonna stay for a while.
All right, it's time to go to the beach in Sanur. So from our new apartment, just 5 minutes from Sanur beach. So here it is, already in Jalan. I forgot the name.
Danau Poso.
Oh, Jalan Danau Poso Sanur. Yeah, we're close by our house. And here is Jalan Mertasari. This is gardennya. And so this is the small road to go to the beach. Oh, very small road.
Alright, so we arrived to the Sudamala beach and we are heading to having some bintangs rather to celebrate our heart day.
Oh my god, it's very
Tiring, I have to
tiring
say.
day, like moving out from my dad's house, and then we just, you know, pack our, like tidy up all the stuff.
Oh
And
my
then-
god, yeah.
Oh my god,
But good
it took
news
one
is,
day.
good news is it's beautiful afternoon. We will chill. I think we will go to the Bamboo Prama bar today. So
I know that almost most of you, yeah, used to stay in Brahma. So
good news is, as now, if you call me, Damian, I'm in the Bamboo, 5 minutes and I'm there. So
yeah, like when you, let's say when Bali is already open and then you come to Sanur and then you just wanna meet up us, and yeah, just call us, and then just 5 minutes from
yeah,
home.
5 minutes, not even, but let's say 5. So this is the Bamboo Bar and Lounge. Belongs to the belongs to the Prama Sanur. I think we will have a ladder somewhere. Maybe sitting on the beach side, honey?
Yeah,
What do you
that's
think? By the way, I show you quickly how it's look. I know from the experience past few vlogs, many of you knew this place and missed this place. So, all right, having drinks. Cheers.
Cheers.
However,
watermelon juice. So
and
fresh.
Coke. Unfortunately, Radler is out of stock. However, still good to chilling.
All right, so maybe many of you guys asking why we move out. So that's my parents' house, and then what happened? Maybe some of you are thinking, all right, so well, actually that this is a little bit of family matter in my family. I didn't fight with my brothers. No,
Our relations are very good.
Our relation is very, very good. But during this situation, you know, like something happened to my auntie, my dad's sister. So she is nowadays in the process of divorce, and then she got 3 children, and unfortunately she lost her job in the hotel. So then my family decided, my dad and my mom, yeah, we are, meeting together and then find out the solution. Then yeah, my auntie will live in my dad's house in Denpasar because I'm still working, and then yeah, we only both of us, you know, like Damian and I live in the second floor, and the first floor is my brother with his family. So yeah, we decided to move out to give space to my auntie with my 3 cousins, because they really need a place to live, because yeah, they didn't have a place to live. And yeah, my auntie is in a really bad situation right now. So yeah.
So yeah, but actually the change is actually good. Actually, even happy, to be honest. Now we move to the
Yeah, you know, like
Sanur, close to everywhere. I'm in Sanur every single day. As you see, to
Yeah.
Prama only 5 minutes. Always you can call us for
Yeah.
Radler if
Well-
they have it.
well, actually, that my dad is very generous man. I
Yeah.
mean, like, he never let us to rent out. I mean, like, to rent a house, or just like, you know, because he has a big house in Denpasar, and he keeps saying, and my mom also keeps saying that why you need to rent a house, or why you need to rent room if you have a big house, and then, you know, just like, who will live there? So that's why we always live in my dad's house. And then because of this situation happened, and we feel very sorry to my auntie, so yeah, my auntie will stay in my room. Yeah.
So that's the reason. However, now we are in Sanur, so yeah. Quickly, if you're interested about the place,
It's very Balinese, you know, style. And then it's just, they just have a 5 rooms, and then the host live with us.
yeah, the host is living with us. He's Balinese,
Yeah.
so actually this is also
then
the
they-
Balinese house.
Yeah.
Even the grandma
Balinese
grandma living there. So this is like moving from one Balinese house to different Balinese house.
Damian.
So for me,
Yeah.
I like to living in the Balinese
Yeah.
houses.
For me, especially, like, you know, at this moment, regarding to our budgets, we cannot you know, rent a villa, because
Yeah, unfortunately we
it's
cannot
very
rent a villa.
expensive.
However, one day we will probably just build or
Yeah.
own the villa, but
Yeah,
no,
maybe-
that's not now. Definitely
maybe
not
most
now.
of you asking, like, how much that you rent the room, our room. Actually, it's just 2 million per month. So it's already including with the electricity, as you see in our room, like all included, water. So I don't need to top up electricity, you know, something like that.
Yeah, it's
so,
included electricity, water, gas. So it's
yeah,
actually
water, and then kitchen, and then they prepare everything. So we just need to bring our clothes, and that's it. And also one thing that I like is they have a very closed garage.
Yeah,
and they
close
have a
garage.
CCTV. They also have a security, and only 5 room.
Only 5 room,
Yeah.
and it's also a quiet, strategic location,
Yeah.
as you can
Just-
imagine.
Yeah, it's very close with the big hospital, Bali Mandara, close with the airport, close with Sanur. It's very strategic place. So close with my office also. So yeah,
Yeah.
I'm so happy. with
regarding
the room.
regarding the moving the truck, what we ran, this Balinese guy who come, he just worked for the Gojek, so this calls
Yeah.
Go Box. You can very easily rent this during the Gojek application,
Yeah.
and cost us only 200k, which is really not so bad. It's actually
And then he also helped us, you know, carry the stuff, you know, from the room, from my room in my dad's house, and then to our new room. So it's
Yeah.
very helpful, you know.
I think that's will be enough for today's vlog. We didn't show you today too much about Bali. However, this is like part of the vlogging, showing you every single day of our life.
Yeah.
I hope so you enjoyed, and see you tomorrow.
tomorrow. Cheers.
Tomorrow will be something
Actually,
new.
we are a little bit tired today.
Are you a
because we
little
move
bit,
it-
to be
oh my
honest, you a
God.
little bit tired. I'm so
Because
tired.
we move at, you know, around 11 or 12 in the very hot midday. So yeah, we just want to chill in a, you know, in the restaurant, in Bamboo Bar restaurant in the Prama, and because they have a promotion also, buy one get one free.
So,
very good.
all right,
Cheers.
see ya.